Okay. After this, as you can see, I have my Unreal Engine editor set up like this, which is this setup works very well on a monitor of 4K. So my monitor is 4K. I'm not sure about how it's going to work and look and behave and feel on a monitor with other resolution. But the reason behind this UI setup is that whenever I have to work, everything which I will be needing to work on the layers. So layer panel is right there. I can use it. I have to do something in outliner. The outliner is very well laid out and present. I have to do certain things in levels. So levels is also available for me. If I have to select something and adjust something in the details panel is available. If I have to work on select something or find in content browser is there. And this content browser is specifically for searching anything. Like I will select the scene, any object in the scene, and then I will press Control B. So this helps in just the selection and then drag and drop. But if I want to search something, then for that, I will be using this one because this one has a more space for me to search. Plus, again, I'm having another control browser, like content browser. So if I need a very large space for searching and understanding how things are laid out, so I will be using this content browser. In that case, I just have to quickly search something. In that case, I have to just find something and drag and drop. Then I will be using this panel. So I will be using this content browser. Again, I have content browser here on the right side. So content browser all over. So it depends on what I have open, what I am working, and it depends. You will see how efficiently I will be using the entire this layout, and then it will give a good sense of how efficient this layout is. You can go ahead and use your own layout system, anything you want. But this layout makes my workflow very efficient because everything I need while I'm working, suppose I need to merge something, it's there. I want to place something, it's there. There's another details panel here. So if I have opened some material like this and this palette is laid out like this, and I suppose I need to have access some settings details, then I can go ahead and then use this panel. If it's not there, this is not open and I have to go some settings, then I can use this panel. So it depends what I'm, and again, even there is another content browser always available on control space. So another content browser is there. And I use all these content browsers accordingly while I'm working on the project. So this is a very efficient way of organizing things. If I need Bridge, some content from Bridge, it's already here. Then again, project settings is here, right side. So why the project setting is on the right side? Because if I do change something in the rendering setting or anything, I can just see the effect in the scene, how it's affecting the scene. That is why I have adopted it. So everything is very well thought of, and over the period of time, I have realized and figured out where things should be laid out, so I can find it and use it if I need it. Again, here is another outliner. So if I need, I can go ahead. There is another outliner here also if I need. So outliner 1, 2, and 3 outliners I'm already having on the interface, and I will be using any of the outliner depending on what I'm doing and how I want to use it. So it's very, very efficient way of organizing the layout, which makes the entire workflow extremely fast. So, and here it's all about doing things very fast and efficiently with the most quality. So I will suggest try to use this layout. I will be providing as a content in the course. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you want to use it, how you can use. So you have to go here in Windows, load layout, and then import layout. And then you can go ahead and import layout. So for you all, I'm going to export this layout, save layout, export layout. And then, so I will be providing this layout as downloadables with the course, which you can go ahead and use. If you don't want to use this, go ahead and use the way you like. This is the way I like, and you will see how efficiently I will be using.